Here are some of the laziest ways to make money online. One, take online surveys. There are many websites that will pay you to take surveys on a variety of topics. While the payouts for individual surveys are usually quite small, they can add up over time. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. 2. Participate in paid focus groups. Paid focus groups are a great way to share your opinions and earn some extra cash. They typically last for a few hours and can pay anywhere from $25 to $100. To find paid focus groups, you can search online or sign up with a market research company. 3. Sell your old stuff online. If you have any old clothes, furniture, or electronics that you don't use anymore, you can sell them online and make some extra money. There are many popular websites for selling used items, such as eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace. 4. Rent out your unused space. If you have an extra room in your house or apartment, you can rent it out on a short-term basis to travelers or other people who need a place to stay. Websites like Airbnb and VRBO make it easy to list and rent out your space. 5. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to earn passive income. 6. Create and sell your own digital products. If you have a knack for writing, designing, or programming, you can create and sell your own digital products, such as e-books, online courses, or software. This can be a great way to earn passive income. 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. When you refer someone to a product or service and they make a purchase, you earn a commission. 8. Start a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular topic, you can start a YouTube channel and share your knowledge with others. Once you have a large enough following, you can monetize your channel through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 9. Become a social media influencer. Social media influencers are people who have a large following on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. They can earn money by partnering with brands and promoting their products or services. 10. Offer virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants are people who provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. If you have the skills and experience, you can offer virtual assistant services through websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Please note that these are just a few examples, and there are many other ways to make money online. The best way to find a method that works for you is to research different options and experiment with a few different things.